Hi, this is Anna from Precursive. In this episode of Feature Focus, I'll show you how to deal with overbooking on projects with Precursive. In Precursive, every time you create a booking for yourself or others, it adds up and gets calculated to show you the overall capacity in a given time period. So what we're looking at right now is the plan view that gives you visibility of everyone who's working on different projects from your company to the left, and to the right, the interactive calendar that shows you all the bookings as well as an indication of the capacity used. As you can see, there are several people that are overbooked. So all the red bars indicate that these people are overbooked. So let's take Audrey as an example. Audrey's overbooked. She's working at 150% of her capacity in the period from the 20th until the 24th of April. Now, this number corresponds to a whole bunch of individual bookings or projects that Audrey's working on. In this case, you can see she's working on 5 different projects, and 2 of them contribute to the 150% capacity. It's the first one where she's required to work 8 hours per day in this week, and also the last one over here where she's working 4 hours a week for the entire month. So these 2 would give you 150% capacity in that week. What can we do? Well, there's a range of things we can do. If we right click on the booking, you can see a range of a choice of things that you can do. Audrey's going to work, instead of 8, she's going to do 4 hours this week on this booking. But now she's doing only 50% of the work required. So I'm going to go back and repeat this booking. So create an identical one for the following week. So the 100% of the work required will be done, but it will be completed by end of the following week. Now, what else can I do? I can also reassign this. If Audrey can't do it, another consultant should be able to. So let me look up all the consultants in my org. So I've created a private filter to show you all the consultants and their availability. So Precursive is pulling up all the relevant resources. We could see that the 4 relevant people with the role of consultant, and Audrey's booking that we're interested in is this one, 4 hours. So who else is available? You can see that actually Walter is pretty free. So I can right click on the booking and simply reassign it. And I search for Walter and reassign it to him. That's how easy it is. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and for more information on how to use different features in Precursive, visit our knowledge base. Go to our website, scroll down and click on support. That's where you'll be able to find all the useful articles. Thanks so much and see you again.